Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce client onboarding time with Typeform, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by defining the client onboarding process. Identify the key steps involved in onboarding new clients. Map out the current onboarding workflow and pinpoint areas for improvement. Sign up or log into your Typeform account.
Begin creating a new form by clicking on the Create Typeform button. Choose a suitable template or start from scratch.
Add questions that capture essential client information. Utilize various question types, such as multiple choice, short text, and long text. Incorporate conditional logic to tailor questions based on previous answers. Design the form to align with your brand's aesthetic for a professional touch. Preview the form to ensure a smooth user experience. Adjust any settings, such as notifications and integrations, to streamline data collection. Share the Typeform link with new clients directly or embed it on your website. Monitor incoming responses in real time to keep track of new client submissions. Analyze the data collected to refine the onboarding process based on client feedback. Consider implementing automated follow-ups to maintain engagement after form submission.
Continuously evaluate and update your Typeform to adapt to evolving client needs.
By adopting Typeform, you can transform your client onboarding process into a more efficient and user-friendly experience.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.